Hello guys, welcome to Gist Media TV. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. Ondo State Governor Rotimi Akeredolu has again declared that he would not support the agitation for Yoruba nation by a group of people, saying those calling for such are not representatives of the Yorubas. Akeredolu, who reacted to a statement credited to a group under the auspices of the Ilana Omo Oodua, led by Professor Banji Akintoye, said the Yoruba people will not allow the impostors to lead any agitation on their behalf. He also said the people of the Southwest will not be deceived by the plan of the secessionists. Akintoye had earlier berated Akeredolu for rejecting the agitation for the creation of a Yoruba nation. The group said Akeredolu spoke for himself and not for the people of Ondo State. But in a statement issued by the Special Assistant to Akeredolu on Special Duties and Strategy, Doyin Odebowale, on Thursday, the governor declared that Akintoye was not a leader of Yoruba land and could not speak for the people. The statement, partly read in parts, let it be reiterated again. There will be no agitation for secession in any part of Ondo State. Professor Akintoye should submit himself to the people if he is so desirous of representing them. It is presumptuous, denigrating, and condescendingly spiteful for a group of hustlers living largely in anonymity but struggling for relevance to keep proclaiming and legislating on issues which affect the destiny of the whole people without the faintest suggestion of paying even scant regard to their feelings or extending due courtesy to the real representatives of the people whose opinions they discount as unimportant. The people are discerning. They know the impostors. They have not forgotten the activities of the suborned agitators, the presumed penitent activists. The Ondo people, and indeed Yoruba, are the easiest to lead, but the most difficult to deceive. With them, sophistry and demagoguery have their limits.
Going to the United Nations, going to UNPO, and all sorts. It has to do with peculiarity of each situation. There are some people where referendum doesn't work. There are some situations where it works. But in our own case, I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't want to make a pointed reason that this is what we want to do. Our Yoruba people have something they say, keep certain things within ourselves. So you don't expose all your arsenal.
Thank you very much.
Let me do it. Bring the mic. Bring it back. Let me say. Let me bring it. Bring that mic. Let me do it.
Pàápàá jùlọ ètò ààbò.
Ẹjọ́ now, please. After now you do English, but please.
Nǹkan tó dálé lórí ní ètò ààbò. Wọ́n ṣe ń pa wá, tó ń gbé àwọn èèyàn wa lọ́rùn, tó ń bá olóògbé pọ̀ láì tipátipá, tí wọ́n ń gbé wọn lọ láti gbowó lọ́wọ́ wọn. Oríṣiríṣi ẹ̀gbin àti ìwọ̀sí tó fi ń lọ̀ wá nílẹ̀ Yorùbá bí kò ní ṣe nǹkan tó pọ̀ sí rárá. Ìran Yorùbá ti gbọ́n ju wọ́n ti lọ́pọlọ ju pé kí àwọn àtọ̀húnrìnwá kan kí wọ́n máa gùn wá bí ẹṣin ń bì. So ìtìjú ló jẹ́ fún wa pé ká dẹ̀ dájú sílẹ̀ níbẹ̀ máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa. So máa wá rí i pé bá a ṣe lá lọ́pọlọ tó nílẹ̀ Yorùbá àìní ìfọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ tó wà láàrin wa ó ń ṣàkóbá fún wa. Ìdí nìyí tó fi jẹ́ pé èmi gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹnìkan ojú wa lẹ́nu pé káwà ní ṣọ̀kan ọjọ́ ti pẹ́. So náà ló jẹ́ kí mo ní oore ọ̀fẹ́ wípé ká tún pe ìpàdé ìṣọ̀kan lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí i yóò dà tí gbogbo wa bá wà lójú kan náà tá a ti lọ ṣọ̀kan àti gbógun ti ládàá tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan ọ̀rọ̀
púpọ̀ àwọn tá a rí lórí àwòrán ìpínlẹ̀ pé sí ibi ìdókòwò yìí sí ṣé kò ṣe lára ọ̀tẹ̀ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀.
Ó wà ń bẹ̀ àní sọ pé kò sí ń bẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n àní sọ pé torí pé a pe àwọn kan wọn wá ká wá ní ká má ṣe nǹkan tá a fẹ́ ṣe mọ́ ẹ wo bẹ̀yẹn ó kùnà tán bá wá ó máa kú náà ní tán bá ó máa kú náà ní àwọn tó lọ́wọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ èèyàn làwọn náà so àwọn olómọ̀dì tí ò jẹ́ jẹ́ kan ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tó wà ń bẹ̀ èèyàn náà ni wọ́n èèyàn pàtàkì ní gbogbo wọn so nǹkan tá a dẹ̀ gbé kalẹ̀ nǹkan tó máa mú èso tó dáa wá ni mo wá fẹ́ jẹ́ kí àwọn èèyàn mọ̀ nǹkan pé kò síbi kankan lágbàáyé tí gbogbo èèyàn ti ń fẹ́nu kò pátápátá kò ṣẹlẹ̀ síbi tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ní sọ̀dọ̀ wa nílẹ̀ Yorùbá nìkan ní agbègbè àgbáyé kò sí tó ń lè sọ pé 100% gbogbo wọn ló unite lọ́ fẹ́nu kò ṣe kò síbi tó ṣe é ṣe ṣùgbọ́n tí àwọn èèyàn péréte tó bá mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe tó bá ti tẹnu wọn bá ti kò tó ń dẹ̀ gbé níwájú kò sí wàhálà rárá ó dàbí ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ mi bàbá mi kan tó ń pè ní Dr. Tai Solarin nígbà tó wà láyé ó máa ń bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ kan màá sọ lóyìnbó màá tún lò ó ní you don't need the multitude to change the world all you require is a valiant who will take a giant stride and others will follow so kò dìgbà tí ẹ bá tó kó gbogbo ayé ìjọkẹ́ tó sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan kan kò dìgbà yẹn so tí ọ̀wọ́ àwọn péréte kan tán bá tẹnu wọn bá ti kú pé nǹkan táwọn fẹ́ ṣe nìyí tán bá ti rí nǹkan yẹn ṣe àwọn èèyàn wọ́n tẹ̀lé wọn fún àpèjúwe nígbà tí gòwọ́n gbàjọba tàná bá sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́balọ́ba òun náà bá sọ̀rọ̀ aráàlú òun náà jọ jókòó nígbà tí Muritala dé aráàlú òun náà jọ jókòó pé àwọn fẹ́ gbàjọba àwọn bíi méjìlá bíi ogún kan wọ́n kàn kóra wọn jọ wọ́n dẹ̀ gbàjọba àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí tẹ̀lé wọ́n máa tẹ̀lé wọn náà ni so kò ń ṣe nǹkan tó jẹ́ bàbàrà kan pé gbogbo wa pátápátá ni ò sí lójú kan náà lẹ́yìn Yorùbá ṣùgbọ́n táwa tí ọ̀rọ̀ wa bá yéra wa tá a bá ti gbọ́ra wa yé sí wàhálà.
So, looking at that in LinkedIn, you just spoke about the unity of Yoruba and one of the tools that we can use to achieve it. Do you think Yorubas are united enough to fight this battle?
Well, this is the essence of today's meeting. We have not been united. We must say the truth. We have not been united. But we have to start from somewhere. I believe the outcome of today's meeting will go a long way. I have the conviction. Because we have put all the structures on them. Even those people who are not ready, who are not interested in joining us now, they will be forced to either join us or go into oblivion. As simple as that.
Professor, during your speech there, you spoke about going into grassroots. How are you intending to mobilize more people in grassroots?
I never mentioned grassroots anyway.
How do you, no, I mean to increase our orientation across the Yoruba land?
Oh, yes.
Yes. How do you intend to achieve this?
No, we have various organizations. Some are focused on grassroots orientation. So we will explore them to do that. Various organizations are doing that. So since we know the focus of each organization, we can be able to harness them. You go this way, you go this way, you go this way, you go this way. So no problem.
And to some extent, some government are not in support of this.
Well, let me quickly say one thing. All over the world, there's no way where you have politicians supporting change. They never support any change. That is the norm. No politicians, no people in power want any change. They don't want change. So it is natural that what they are leaking, they don't want it to stop. But we know that we have people to care for, we have to fashion a way of going about it, taking care of our people. So as simple as that.